Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cleaning and drying the scratch so products adhere. This also reveals depth. Once done, mask off surrounding trim and remove handles if needed to access edges. Use a microfiber and mild detergent to eliminate grease. Make sure to let the surface dry fully. Then choose sandpaper grit based on scratch depth, 800 for deep gouges, 2000 for light scuffs, and prepare rubbing compound and touch-up paint nearby so you can move straight into repair without interruption. You now sand the scratch to level edges. Why this matters is it prevents a visible ledge after painting. Begin with the selected grit and work in small, controlled passes, checking frequently with light at an angle to see progress. Once the ledge is gone, step up to finer grit until the area feels smooth under your finger. Make sure to wipe all dust away, then apply a light rubbing compound to blend the finish, preparing the surface for paint. You apply touch-up paint in thin layers to build color gradually. The how is slow and controlled. The why is to avoid runs and texture differences. Use a fine brush or toothpick for precision, allowing each coat to dry before adding more. Once color matches, gently polish the area with a non-abrasive polish to match sheen and then wax for protection. If you see peeling or poor match, sand lightly to feather the edge and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.